Hi store owners, my name is Crystal and welcome to Advanced Coupons channel. Holidays are fast approaching and during this season we expect our customers to be buying more products on our site. So what's the best thing to offer to them? How about quantity-based discount? In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to create a WooCommerce quantity discount coupon. So let's start. Of course, first you have to create a coupon here. Go to coupons and add new. Then I'm going to name the coupon here as test. Okay. I will be using the discount type here. So it's up to you which one you want to offer. You could use the percentage discount, the fixed cart discount, or fixed product discount. But I'm going to use the percentage discount for this video. And then I'm going to, let's say, offer 10% discount here. And then for that, to count the quantities in the cart, you need to use the cart conditions. Here, we do have the option. You could use the cart quantity. It means that any products in your site is eligible to get this discount. So let's say I'm going to use the cart quantity here and more than 9, it means 10. So any products in my store, if they chose 10 products or they added 10 products in the cart, then they will get a discount for 10%. You could also use the product quantities exist in the cart. This means that if you do have a specific product that wants to offer for a bulk or a wholesale discount, let's say I do have the sunglasses. If they bought 10 or more, or if let's say if they bought 10 sunglasses, then they will get 10% discount. You could also use the product categories exist in the cart. So it means that if I choose the categories, it means that if they bought, let's say, a t-shirt for under the t-shirt categories, if they bought 10 t-shirts, they will get 10% discount. So for this video, I'm going to use the cart quantity. It means that all products in the cart or all products in the shop is eligible for this discount. So I'm going to use cart quantity more than 9. Again, why 9? Because more than 9, technically, it means 10. So I'm going to save this one. Of course, you could also use the auto-apply coupon if you want this coupon to be applied to any customers of yours. You could use this, or you could offer this to your special customers. You could email them the URL coupon or the code so that they could use it. But for this, I'm going to activate the auto-apply coupon. So activate and let's test it. I'm going to the shop. So any products, as long as I have 10 items in the cart, 10% discount will be applied. So let's go to shop. Let's say I'm going to add one belt. Then let's say one of this beanie with logo, and then let's say I'll have 5 cups. And shop. I already have 7 and I still need 3 more here. Let's say I'm going to buy 3 hoodies here. Click that. Cart. Okay, so I already have 10 items in the bag. So I'm expecting, since I've activated the auto-apply coupon, I'm expecting the coupon to be present and the discount to be applied. So here it is. I already have 10 items in the cart and the coupon has been applied. So you could also create a new coupon for this if you want to offer, let's say, 20 items in the cart. You could offer 20% discount. then another coupon. You could create 30 items in the cart, then they will get 30% discount. So it's up to you if you want to offer the quantity-based discount. So this would be the example how to set it up. I hope this helps, and we are going to also to attach this link from an article regarding this quantity discount coupon. If you have any suggestions or if you have requested videos, you could email us. So that will be it. Don't forget to like the video and please subscribe. Bye.